What up guys, Odie Bookcheese here. I'm in my street car. Very simple S14 stock AA, stock front suspension except for Feal coilovers and Wisefab out in the back. And check it out, I got some wheels and tires back there. We got some tools and we're heading out to the track. We're gonna give this thing a rip. It's been a long time since I drove something that is so underpowered, so stock. Definitely looking forward to it. Ready to have a basic day?
Yeah, let's go.
So I got 4 wheels back there and the seat's kind of far forward, but what we can do, just for you Carlos, I'll remove my subwoofer and we could put some wheels back here. So yeah. All right, got the sub moved out of the way. We still could jam, but why is this car such a tease? It looks like it's got a big trunk, but nothing's like fitting in here. Got out here a little early before anyone else showed up, but that is perfect because we got some stuff to unload. Got some rims back there. Brought a little bit of tools, but barely anything, just the essentials. A Boxo small plastic toolbox that is like perfect for this kind of deal. Oils, bare minimum. Really looking forward to this because the whole point of this is to bring the bare minimum out, street drive the car to the track. Is it a comfortable ride, Carlos, or what?
Very comfortable.
AC blasting, can't complain. And we had the subwoofer still in the car, which is always a good plus. We did a tune-up on it last night. Had to change the intake manifold gaskets. We had a nasty vacuum leak. And everything else checks out okay. Topped off the fluids. Hopefully she's good to go. The big improvement that I made just to have fun out here is putting a hydraulic handbrake in here. It's just an inline. There's no extra calipers, but super solid. Hopefully she does good on the track. Other than that, this thing's bone stock with Feal 442 coilovers, and I got Wisefab in the back because I want good even tire wear. I don't want to be blowing through tires, so it's ensuring that I have good suspension geometry in the rear. Excited to get on the track, give this thing a rip. So we're good to hit the track?
Is we get a hold of that guy.
Well, that was fun. I used up my quota for tires, and that was a successful day of driving a very underpowered stock 240SX. Man, that was a lot of fun. This thing did great. Looking forward to blasting the air conditioning on the drive home. Everything's solid. I'm just putting my street wheels back on this thing and we'll be going home. That was a quick half day, but I'd say best bang for the buck track time. This thing's amazing. Yeah, the rear is a little serious. It's got 442s, which actually helped me a ton because I could dial in a ton of low-speed compression damping, which made the car looser. And the Wisefab allowed us to have really good even tire wear. So that allowed me to maximize the most out of my tires for today. So can't complain. Super happy about it. Time to drive home and get back to work.